Day 9 is in the books on the backyard patio update. We had the porch that's gone, and now this is the base for the patio pavers. There's actually going to be a hot tub right here. And so they are doing an 8-inch base up to here, and then the rest is 4 inches, which is, I guess, fairly normal for this area. But I think he said they were just gonna do the whole thing 8 because cutting it out and then leveling it would have been a little bit of work to make it 8 here and then go up and then have all the pavers be the same size. So I think he said they just decided to do it all at like a pretty deep 8-inch base or 9-inch base, basically at vehicular weight level to hold the hot tub, because the hot tub's gonna weigh a lot right here. That way it's not gonna move when we put it up. So the steps are almost done over here. There's going to be railing that I'm going to add in this area. There's going to be plants over here, plants right here, and then some plants right here to kind of make some privacy on this end. This little area right here, we dug out, and it's going to be a little garden bed. So they're going to add some irrigation pipe through here. But as you can see, we're starting to get towards the end. At one time, this was all a slope down through here with just these big, I guess I was calling them hollies, but my wife says they're not hollies. So we've pushed this back, and they're going to start putting the paver patios in right through here. So it's pretty excited. You can really start to see how everything's gonna look. So it's been a lot of fun to watch, and we're getting towards the end probably. I think there's going to be pavers inside the top up here too. But that's the end of day 9. Just putting down layers of rock right now.